lovely people. Well, as you can see from my clothing, we're in the midst of a heat wave here, and it really reminds me about the importance of self-care and how we need to look after ourselves. So in this heat, we wear the right clothing, we do all that we need to do to keep ourselves as cool as possible and drink loads of water. But as a subject, self-care is so important, looking after ourselves so that we can show up and be the best version of ourselves in this world. We can't do it when we're exhausted and have overstretched ourselves too far. So I do trust and pray and affirm that you are looking after yourself, whatever your situation. So that said, let's move on. Just as a reminder of some of the events that we've got coming up in the next 6 weeks or so, we have our online retreat that suddenly began to be available, which is all about expecting a miracle. We have had some lovely people that have booked their place. It's a Saturday, Sunday event. It's just £25. We have the details on the website. But as many people as want to join are very welcome. So if you've got the space and the time and would like to be part of the event and expect a miracle for yourselves, you can find the details online, along with our August in-person retreat in the Midlands. 1 or 2 rooms left, that's all. So it's just a delight to be with you, whether we're online on using Zoom or whether we're in person. That's what we're here to be and do, is to connect with you and to know together the Christ in me beholds the Christ in you. We've also got a summer special this month. For the entire months of July and August, we're offering our Unity Blessing booklets, which are the wonderful booklets we advertise through our Daily Word subscription. And we're offering 50% off all the booklets, and we have over 40 different ones in stock at the moment, but they are selling. So if you would like to order these booklets, you can do so via the website, or you can call the office and talk to us, and we will tell you what we've got in stock, and you can decide what you'd like and enjoy some summer reading, inspirational summer reading. If you want to order the booklets online, there is a promo offer, which is Summer 26, so summer in capital letters 26, and that will give you the discount of 50% off if you order 3 or more. Anyway, business aside, events aside, self-care aside, look after yourself, stay well, healthy, happy, and I will see you again soon. Bless you.